हृदयं शङ्करः पातु जठरं गिरिजापति नाभिं मृत्युञ्जयः पातु कटिव्याघ्रचिनम्बरचरितम्.
Hi friends, this is NJ, host on this channel. So we will continue our discussion around different destiny numbers. The number which we are going to discuss today is the destiny number 6, and we will have our discussion on the same parameters which we have been following throughout in this series. First, we will try to understand the significance of the destiny number or the expression number. Then we will try to understand the correct mechanism of calculating the destiny number. And in the last, we will have an exclusive discussion on the destiny number 6. So the very first thing with which I always begin my discussion is that why you should study the destiny number. So that is very simple. Numerology, which works on the principle of equating the planetary vibrations with the numbers. When it comes to the two most important numbers of the science of numerology, so those two numbers are, the first is the life path number, which you get by making a sum total of someone's birth details. Just because the birth details cannot be changed, you cannot change the date of your birth or month of your birth, so that is going to tell you about your life's purpose, that what you are born with and where you have to reach in this lifetime. When it comes to the destiny number or the expression number, so that number just tells about how you're destined to express yourself in this lifetime. So if life path is going to tell about the final mission, the destiny number is just going to tell about what all kind of tools you have to reach over here, what kind of surroundings, what kind of environment, what kind of opportunities you are going to invite in your life in order to reach over there. Just because the name can be changed, the energy, the vibrations of the name number can be changed by making a certain amendments and by making the addition of few certain letters. So that is the only reason we say that when it comes to these two numbers, the life path number and destiny number, these two numbers have to be in sync in order to have a life filled with harmony, filled with all kind of opportunities, and to reduce the possibilities of any kind of obstacles in your life. Now when it comes to the correct mechanism of calculating the destiny number, so that's very simple. As you can see in your screen, the reference chart of today, so that is of the actor Jason Statham. So just because many numerologists recommend and emphasize on that you should be taking out the name written on the birth certificate, though I beg to differ over there, because if the name is only lying dormant on the birth certificate only, but the person is being recognized and identified in the whole world with his pen name, or let's say with a nickname, so that name is going to define that particular person's environment, his aura, his nature in a more accurate way rather than just the name written on the birth certificate. So there you need to make a comparison, fair comparison by yourself only. So the very first step towards calculating someone's destiny number is that you have to first write down the numerical values of all the letters of the name. The mechanism, the number system which we are following in this discussion is of the Pythagorean system. So by writing down all the numerical values for all the letters as per the Pythagorean system, we will get the Jason Statham. For J we will get the 1, A will get the 1, S 1, for O 6, N 5. So this is how in the first step you will just write down all the numerical value for the complete name. In the step 2, what you have to do is that you have to reduce the whole all the entities of the name to a single digit. So what we are going to get is that Jason will be reduced to a single digit as the 5 and Statham will be reduced to a single digit as the 1. And in the final step, what we have to do is that we have to make a sum total of both of these reduced single digit. So by making a sum of 5 plus 1, we are going to get the final answer as this 6. So Jason Statham has his destiny number or the expression number as the 6. The second reference example of today is of the famous actress Scarlett Johansson. So as you can see in the screen, that in the very first step what we have to do is that we have to write down the numerical value for all the letters of the name. In the step 2, we have to reduce all the entities or the parts of the name individually to a single digit. So by making a sum total of the name Scarlett, we are going to get the answer as the 26, which can be reduced to a single digit as the 8. By making a sum total of the last name Johnson, we are going to get the answer as the 34, which can be reduced to a single digit as the 7. Like the way I have already explained, the first name tells about the personal or the social side of someone's life, and the surname tells about the family influence, the hereditary influence, and all those people who have the middle initial. That just tells about the, the reserved force which can be activated at the time of the need. So in the step 3, where we are going to make a sum total of both the single reduced digits, we are going to get the answer as the 8 plus 7, which is going to give us the 15, which can be finally reduced to a single digit as the 6. So this is how, and this is the correct mechanism of calculating someone's destiny number. Now comes the question of that what would remain to be the case if you have this number as your expression number or the destiny number. Like the way I have already made an exclusive video on the energy or the vibration of the number 6, that this is a number which is being governed by the planet Venus. The positive side of this number is all about the responsibilities, all about the duties, harmony, loyalty, faithfulness, little bit of the adjustment, domestic grace, love for the home. These people will always have a final word on the luxury. You will rarely find someone who will be strongly under the vibration of the number 6, that you will find a chaos at that particular person's home. You will find things to be kept in a very spick and span manner. So this is what remained to be the positive side of the vibration of the number 6. The negative side of the number 6 could be that person might become very extravagant, person might become too much concerned and caring for other people, that it is going to start taking a toll in his own personal life. That person might become a very tyrant at the home front, at the domestic front. So these all remain to be the positive and the negative side of the vibration of the number 6. But just because this number has fallen as your destiny number or the expression number, so this is just going to give this hint that the very first thing is, let's say for example, if you are in any of the artistic or creative, you are a florist, you are a farmer, you are a PR agent, you are an advertising person, so the vibration of this energy of this destiny number 6 is going to help you big time. Because like the way I always say this thing, that this is the number and this is the vibration with which you are being recognized and identified in this whole world. Secondly, just because of this vibration, because you are making your signature daily with this name, you are writing this name everywhere, so you are just creating those kind of opportunities there all around you. So if you are into this kind of similar profile, you are going to get benefited because of this. And ultimately you should not be forgetting this thing, that ultimately the destiny number is going to help you in attaining the most important purpose of your this lifetime. So the life path number which tend to remain your final mission in this lifetime, destiny number or the expression number is going to aid you and is going to help you in order to reach over there by making use of all these talents which you are going to imbibe because of this destiny number 6. So let's say for example, even if you have a life path number 1, now life path number 1 is all about being individualistic. Life path number 1 is all about making people tiptoe to your terms. But if you have a destiny number 6, you have to remain assured of that you should be working in a harmony, in sync with the energy of this number 6, because you might be coming across all those kind of situation where you have to play the role of a responsible person. You might be endured by and being overwhelmed by too much of the responsibilities. So all those things which are coming to your way, you should not be making a compromise of not fulfilling your duties, of not remaining very concerned, nurturing and caring towards other people's need. You have to become a leader ultimately, which is your ultimate life's mission is, but not at the cost of maintaining and kind of creating a disharmony at your home front, not fulfilling your duties at the home front. So this is how you need to study the energy and the vibration of the destiny number, correlating it with the life path number, because in one way or another way the destiny number or the expression number 6 is going to make all these kind of things where the beauty and harmony are going to become a central element of your life's purpose, of your whole environment all around you. These people, and just because if you have a destiny number 6, so that might be case you're already very much concerned and you have a very caring attitude towards the elderly people. You are very much concerned about the improvement of the community. You are very much concerned about training the young people. So all these things will remain to be a part of your life, and you would remain to be a connoisseur where you will have an appreciation for the art, you will have appreciation for the beautiful things in the life, because number 6, the vibration of the number 6 carries the initiation force of the number 1, it carries the cooperative energy of the number 2, and it also carries the creative talents of the number 3. Like the way I have already explained this thing in the introductory videos, that 3, 6 and 9 are considered as a very fortunate numbers. So this is all what I wanted to say as my take on the vibration of the destiny number 6, where the central element would remain to be towards the humanitarianism, towards the philanthropy, towards remaining concerned and caring towards the others. That might be a case that responsibilities will remain to be a part of your life, comfort giving will remain to be a part of your life. You would be, come across all those kind of situation where you have to remain a very, dirt cleaner for all other people. All other people are coming to you with all of their baggage, and you have to assume responsibilities. You have to assume duties for all those people who are all around you. So making a kind of, becoming a glue to your friends, to your community, to your relatives. So this is all what I wanted to say as my take on this destiny number 6. I hope you guys found this video informational. For further more updates and notification on numerology, please subscribe my channel and like my Facebook page. Thanks.
चिदानन्द